Welcome to DashCam Info. My name is Dirk and today I installed the Azdome M550 MAX in my car. This is a 3-channel system that allows you simply to unplug or replug the cabin cam. And if you do so, the system would simply reboot and always by default in its highest resolution. And I like this a lot. I will show you the unboxing, I'll show you the installation, and of course we're taking a look at the app, and then I'll show you footage by day and also by night. In Florida, saving turtles from the street is a monthly routine you get used to. In the box we get the manual. We have a USB to USB-C charging cable. And this here is the adapter. The rear camera is actually an outside camera. So this needs to be installed outside of your car and not inside. We get hooks and tools for cable management. We also receive adhesive films to install the camera on the windshield. This here is a spare mounting plate. And here's the star of the show, the Azdome M550 MAX. I really like the slim and sleek design of this camera. So it comes already on the mountain plate, and on this installation mountain plate there is already the GPS module attached. So there's no need for an extra cable or an extra wire and an extra device. This is all already incorporated. We get a nice well-readable display, and underneath we have buttons so we could manually set up the camera to our liking. The cabin cam is a simple plug and play. I like this a lot. And a 64 GB micro SD card is already pre-installed. So here's my first mistake. I installed the rear camera inside my car, and I'll show you shortly why this was not a good idea. First off, I pre-installed already an adhesive film on my windshield, and here you see me peeling off the protection film from the 3M tape and then pressing the dash cam against my windshield. Of course, you have to line it up before you do so, because there is no second try. You can change the angle of the main dash cam and you can rotate the cabin cam. On top, on the dash cam mount, we plug in the power cable. On the side, we plug in the rear camera, powering it on for the very first time. We hear a welcoming sound, and now it asks us for our language of choice and for the time zone. Everything could be done right here with the buttons of the menu, but I turned on the Wi-Fi, and from here on I wanted to set it up using the mobile app. On our phone we go to Settings, Wi-Fi, and we connect to the M550 MAX network. This secret passcode here is 123456778. Big surprise. Logging into the Azdome app and connecting our dashcam, the first thing you need to do before you can do anything is to stop the recording. After that you can go to dashcam albums to view your footage or to download your footage, or you can tap the little gear wheel top right if you want to change any settings. It's very easy to navigate through the menu and it is really self-explanatory. What I like about the Azdome is that by default it gives us the best video resolutions on all 3 cameras. Before I show you footage by day and by night, I want to explain to you what happens if you are installing the rear view camera inside of your car. The focus would be shifting to the closest point from the camera lens. And in my case, unfortunately, these are these little heating strips going across the window. And this is why everything behind that window, behind that point, looks blurry. So this is why it is really an outside camera to be able to focus on what's far away. And now it's time for me to show you footage by day, front in 4K and cabin cam in 1080p. now I'd like to share with you footage by night, again front in 4K and a cabin cam in 1080p. Now, after watching the review, what are your thoughts on the Azdome M550 MAX? Is this a dashcam you would consider? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, if you have questions or suggestions, I'll definitely respond. A free way to support my channel would be to leave a like, and if you like the channel overall, please consider to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.